Ka Auxilium High Secondary School Mawtnum Ribhoy District kelas dang ban penlong ya ke school week kabade ka tayaw le kamen ka bakerpang na kabenta ki khana school jong ka te ka jaka puli. Kajing thmu jong ka school week kalong ban a ya ki khana kapor bakin shong that bat panja that ya kajing mut jing perkhat shwa bakin phai biang shi ki jing puli bat ki jing pen kre ya ki final examination. Hakajuk kapor kalong ru kalat kaba kerpang yaki khana ban penpau yaki sap ki phong jungki lengba ki rensan ba pher katika school week kala sedang na do kasngin kong jong ka tayo bat an penkut yaka hakasing tho ding arpo pratarik nailar shibanta jong jing rakhi yakin ka tayo lekmen ka school kala penbet ya bon tli ki jing yakop hakabaki khana kin mi khmat yala ki jong ki house bat hakani ka rukom penlong yaki te ki jing yakop kan ai la ya baro ki khana school bikin yo paneshim bantalang Hakasingi ka balay jong school week la sakhi ya kajing yashim bantak ba Shitrhem na ki khana jong ki kerdan ba pher ki khana na do ki badang red hadu ki bala kham he ki la shim banta ha ki jing yakop shat ki jing yakop ruai ha ki surtan rai bat kum juru ha ka jing yakop quiz kat ba ki jing yakop ki badang sa an sanang bateng pan ha ki singi banwan
Say hello. Then you really want to show every happy and you know say hello. Hello.
All of you know the answer, but you need to listen to the question. Does a spider have? Yes, 10 points to the red house. The next question for you is, what does DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Correct. Another 10 points for the red house. How it is. All of you know the answer, but you need to listen to the question.
Of the brain, control, balance and coordination. Cerebrum. Correct again. Next question. What do we call animals that eat both plants and yeast? Omnivorous. Correct. Sonar. Sound navigation and ranging. Correct.